So, how to fix Instagram comments problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments problem easy and fast. So, all what you have to do is open the settings and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps, go to Instagram, and then click on force stop and then go to the notifications management. Make sure that all notifications are enabled. Go back, click on the permissions, and make sure that the storage permission is enabled. Go back. Now click here on the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Now go back to the settings on your phone. Click on the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. And that's it. Now go to the Play Store and go to the search bar, search for Instagram and update the app. If you don't have the latest version, you should click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end.